These medical devices, electronics, automotive components, and household appliances all have one thing in common. Each molded part has been welded using Herman Ultrasonics' cutting-edge technology. Herman Ultrasonics HiQ product line provides you with the right machine to suit your application, manufacturing environment, and budget. The latest technology includes variable speed control for better parts and faster welds. A user-friendly touchscreen. Toolless changeover, which saves time and offers flexibility for effective utilization, and the most powerful generator on the market, the UltraPlast 6000. By combining a revolutionary energy-saving drive mechanism with a standby mode, energy consumption can be reduced by up to 80%. Industry firsts include fully integrated FDA calibration and compliance for login and traceability. Herman Ultrasonics' exclusive modular components easily integrate into automation. Each Sonotrode is uniquely manufactured, measured, optimized, and documented in our vertically integrated machine shop. At Herman Ultrasonics, collaboration with our customers is key and has resulted in award-winning application development and process optimization. Inquire today about your application, because at Herman Ultrasonics, we are setting new worldwide standards in ultrasonic welding technology, giving you the edge.